Hello, students. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're going to learn English using visuals. Visual learning is an effective way to improve your language skills because it helps engage your brain with images and effects, which capture attention more than just words. By focusing on the visuals, you'll find it easier to remember words and phrases. This method allows you to learn in a more interactive and enjoyable way, making the process faster and more fun. So, let's dive in and start learning with some exciting visuals. Stay tuned and let's begin. Cat, lamp, house, bag, bike, fridge, t-shirt, cup, telephone, sun, cloud, door, jeans, bird, football, airplane, computer, father, running, car, dog, library, park, train, shirt, beach, cupboard, hotel, paint, spoon, chair, post office, pencil, lake, table, clock, bicycle, socks, rainbow, microwave, river, read, write, sky, smile, eat, jump, work, dance, draw, knife, break, supermarket, push, pull, school, television, throw, fix, kick, wall, music, flower, kitchen, walk, play, laugh, catch, build, sun, tree, listen, taxi, hospital, wash, bank, temple, shoes, city, swim, talk, rest, cry, book, run, look, sleep, study, snow, watch, open, close, drink, lift, pen, street. I hope you had fun watching the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. See you in the next video. Stay motivated to learn and keep practicing.